AriasWave video. Now, this video is about the USD yen. So, the reason I am making this video right now is because you could see that, or you probably heard that I think it's going to go down. But there's a little problem with that. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you the change of analysis that will explain to you why there's a good chance that we could go a little bit higher. Not too much higher, but just a little bit higher, right? So if I put my labelings back on, you can see that we broke up above this channel and we came down in wave D. That's right, I relabeled the chart, right? This is no longer a 1 2 1 2. It doesn't make sense. I had to go back to the previous waves. This is now, well, that was A before. This is now B. I should have known better, but before I actually started posting videos, I didn't think too much about it. But after starting to post videos, I had to up my game again. It's been a little while. I had to come back to reality. So when we got to the highs and we saw this pattern, I thought, wait a minute. I should have seen that move go straight down after that point. Nope. It's because the USD yen is not done yet. And I get it. The USD yen, I've seen this particular market go all the way to resistance levels and go back down. It gives you 100% opportunity to short the shit out of it if you do it at the right time. And I believe that it's going to give us that opportunity coming very soon. So what I mean by that is that it's going to let it price will go right to the line. It won't go above it, and you can short the shit out of that and you will make a ton. So you can thank me later, but for now, let's try and prepare ourselves for that trade. So I believe it's going to happen. I see the proof now. I see the evidence according to AriasWave. So let's talk about it. So in this move, we have basically a week 5 wave move, right? Wave C. So that's complete, right? So wait, zigzag wave 1, 2, zigzag wave 3, 4, and zigzag wave 5. That's what ended up here, right? It was a very strategic profit taking level. This is not supposed to happen. That's why I went back and I realized this is a D wave. It's not a 1 2. It's not a 1 2. As much as I wish it was, it's not I'm sorry, it's not a 1 2. This is now wave E. The official wave E is now in progress. Ladies and gentlemen, wave E now in progress. So we're going to see a move probably, most likely, go to the highs. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, right? This is what I think is going to happen. Then we're going to get no new high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break that level. Confirm wave 2 is over. Okay. After that, I'm sorry, I'm not going to talk about that right now. All I'm saying is that this is what I think is going to happen. So the price action at the small degree, it says a lot. So, okay, that's enough big picture view. Let's zoom in. So obviously you saw what I saw. Obviously you've seen what I've seen. I've been telling you that yes, we should short this. If we break this low, 155.656, we're going down. Price action at the lows is telling me otherwise. We're still in the range, right? We're still around the midway point, almost. That we could just make a decision right now to call it quits. But the truth is that this is just getting started. This is just getting warmed up. This is going to go all the way up, right? So where's your stop level? It should be 155.915, I believe, at the small degree. because of the count that I've given it at the lows. So wave one, we've got A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, and 2 is the red line. This thing continues to roll higher, even though it's overbought on the RSI. Well, it was at one point. I don't think it really gives a shit about RSI. You know, RSI is garbage anyway. This is going to keep rolling higher, I reckon. So why do I think this is true? Well, look at this pattern. This is not a 1-2. This is a zigzag. It's a shitty zigzag, right? And mostly because it doesn't have much strength to the downside. And it created a 5-wave move. So it's like saying, hey, 3, 1, 2, done. Take the trade. Knowing USD yen, it takes you to the highs, it gives you maximum profit, gives you maximum ability to sell with low risk. Given that we know the whole structure, and it's definitely a bearish structure, it has no choice but to reverse and not make a new high. I have seen it with my own eyes. I believe I was seeing these things for not for no reason, but to make a very good profit once it turns. So let's cross that bridge when we get there. At this point in time, I think more than likely we are not going to make a new low just yet. We're going to push to the limits. This is USD yen. It's the currency version of crypto. It can swing wildly, and it has over the years. But I'm telling you right now, if you love crypto trading and you're missing out on the fun because crypto sucks right now, yeah, you should be trading this. And if you want to know what I think is happening in the bigger market, you need to leave some comments, and I will explain to you the larger pattern in the stock market, Dow Jones, uh, Nasdaq, and also I will tell you what's going on in the bond market. Bond yields, TNX, 10-year US bond yields. I'll explain to you why I believe we're going for a complete reset. Is because we're going to completely wipe out everybody who has debt. Bond yields to 20% minimum. So if you want to know more, let me know. I've been studying these waves meticulously for years, and I've gotten only much like a million times better over the last year. So if you want to know more, just leave a message and I'll happily cover it. I don't want to be covering things that nobody cares about. So let me know and have a good one.